Hey yo, we're back. We're back for another stream. It's gonna be an early morning stream or late night, depending on where you are. 5:47 my time right now. What's going on? What's going on, everybody? All right. But is that you in the chat, man? You still here? Haven't slept? Let's crank open a drink. Oh man. Okay. No, I slept for 5 hours. Just woke up. Nice. Basically the same here, man. Yeah, because we did the early morning, late night stream yesterday. I was dead, man. After work, probably not gonna do a video. Yeah, trying to do it every day, but like, yeah, man, trying to find at least an hour every day is the plan. But yeah, I fell asleep. I was so tired from work. Like, work really drains me out, and then yeah, I was just tired. Just fell asleep. I didn't mean to fall asleep. I just fell asleep. Just gonna turn this on. How you been though? How you doing? How's uni? How's projects? What's going on, man? Sorry for now. I have to submit an assignment today and afterwards, but it's free for another 2 weeks. Hell yeah! Party time, man. Gonna have some virtual parties. All right, let's see. Where were we? Where were you yesterday? Some JavaScripting. So you're doing a master's, right? Is it 1 year master's or 2 years? I think they're normally a year long, right? Or sometimes 18 months. We did DNA pairing. Oh yeah, I remember this one. The best solution was your solution with object types. That was genius. Let me see. Discord. Alright. What do we have? This bad boy right here. I don't think I actually took notes on that. Search my place. Yeah, something I'm finding is I need to get more practice. I don't know what was this called? DNA pairing. Like, I think you said it once, it's like building muscle memory. I just need to get the reps in, right? That's how I was really bad at maths at one point, and then that's all I did was like go through the textbook and every single exercise, get the concept, and then go through the exercise over and over again until like it clicks. I think free code camp doesn't give you that opportunity, and I don't understand it, and then like I'll understand objects, right? And then boom, next moment I'm doing what was it? Functional stuff. And then I can't get the concept and I've forgotten about the other stuff because I don't get enough practice. Let's see. For 2 years, I don't know if I will finish it though. Currently, I'm very much prioritizing. You okay? What personal projects can I ask? All the developers on the stream, everyone's doing personal projects, man. I can't wait to start my personal projects. We're not bad at math. That's how everyone learns it. Require discipline. A single hour every day by every day. Right. Oh, you know, I was bad initially. Like I was bad, but then I got good. But that's all I did. Yeah. After that, I got pretty good at it. But I'm not one of those guys who can just get it and boom, run with it. I need like you said, every day, like constantly, again and again, and then until it clicks. Yeah. I'm like, yeah, I don't know. I'm like a dumb smart guy, if you want to call it that. It takes me a while, but once it clicks, I think it clicks. What am I doing to? Visual Studio Code. Hey, look at that. We got multiple solutions. Yeah, so I think I need to do something similar with programming too. It's just get practice. Pre-code camp doesn't give me that, so maybe get some books and like. Did you ever take any books or read any books for JavaScript? I know I'm going for the elegant JavaScript. I started, but I haven't really. I think this has got some exercises in it. Hey, look at that. Edit and run by clicking. You know, like when you go to college and do computer science and they're running through some hardcore textbooks. So I made a service for managing blog posts in multiple languages, among other things. Now I'm migrating a portfolio website. Expression PHP 9 after that will make. Okay. I have to work on my design more for as it takes a lot of time. Alright, let's check it out. Here's a PHP version. Hey, Walter Schumann. Managing blog posts in multiple languages. So kind of like a WordPress thing. Migrating PHP to Node. Huh. Interesting. You're changing up the design as well, because this looks very 2000s. Yeah. Damn, that's a lot of pictures. Nice. So this is the PHP version, right? And you're building a new one. Yeah. No, this is purpose I mentioned service. It's just a backend. Okay. Good. No. Okay. Cool. I've been meaning to learn Figma. So people to like learn the design and stuff. I think there's a. You know, I might do that thing. Because I think you need both sides, like a balance of engineering plus design. But just to get the basics of design, my friend was telling me there's some kind of 100-day UI challenge or something like that. You design for 100 days in a row. That might be fun to do. Or maybe it's not Figma. Someone's doing them maybe. Yeah, this one. Apparently you do like different. You design every day different things and you kind of get the basics. Alright, cool. Let's add it to the list. That'd be a fun one to do. Yeah, because that is not my my what's the word? My strength. Because yeah, I'm very very not the left. Was it left or right? The creative side. I'm more the other side. What was that noise? Foge Vaz, that's what's going on. Thank you for the follow. What is up, man? How's it going? was planning to do design, trying to study design of popular websites. Okay, cool. Cool. All right. I'm gonna send you something. 2 seconds. Hang on. This is using the other one. Okay. Damn, we got 6 people in the chat early mornings. Either DJ hours or these are like UK folks. Like 6 a.m. getting on stream. What's going on, everybody? Okay. Let me find this for you. I think it's the UI. Found it. Okay, where are you? I'm gonna send you something on Discord. Alright, I'm just gonna type in so I can open this up in full screen. Alright. Oh, what? Oh man, doesn't let me. Apparently, this has got a limit of 8 meg files uploads. I'll email it to you. What? I didn't know there was a limit on this. Awesome. All right. So my friend used this book. And he's like a junior product designer now, and like, yeah, really sick. He basically uses this to learn. Okay, sending. Okay, sent. Okay, should be sending. Yeah, we can use that as a reference point. Something. I think the book, if you buy the book, it costs like £200 or something crazy, like super expensive. Alright, what we got going here? DNA pairing, let's quickly finish up our notes. VS Code. Alright, so that was my solution number 1, and then we refined it to this solution. One optimized. Yeah, anytime, man, anytime. I've actually been procrastinating on going through that book, so maybe we can go through it together and just get the basics out. It's really nicely designed, even the books, so you kind of know what they're talking about. Let's do that. So Fogel, hey Winwood, what's going on, man? Welcome back. I see you. I see you. All right. Okay, see what we got next. Missing letters, huh? We got missing letters. All right. Intermediate algorithm scripting missing letters. Find the missing letter in the past letter range and return it. If all letters are present in the range, return undefined. Okay, so right, let's think this through, right? So there's the function. This one might be an easy one. Find missing letter in the pass range and return it. Regex maybe? Like A to Z and possibly even A to Z, that one. I don't know if you can use regex to see. Oh, hang on that. You got a starting point and an ending point, and then you need to return the missing point until. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Okay. How the hell do you solve that? Oh man. I see what it's doing. It's similar to. Alright, let's get some test cases in here, right? Probably should do that. So I should return an I. STUVW X. Good thing is they're all in ascending order, right? All of the. So we need to. Can you sort letters? Regex. So I don't know if this is a good point, but the strings are in. Is already sorted. A B C D F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Oh, everything's there, so it should be undefined. Okay. Okay. I'm thinking either regex or actually building an array and adding like A, B, C, D, da da da. So building an array with A, B, C, D, and then build an array. Okay. Yeah. So build an A, B, C, D because it's already yeah, it's already okay. Build an array that includes A, B until Z, right? So string 0, and string left. So get positions for these two. Yeah, I think something like str.index off to find the starting and ending position. Maybe. Right, so that will give us the starting and ending position within the array, and then what do we do? The return array will be different, so filter, and then filter with a negative rule maybe that doesn't exist. Yeah, so we filter the string array and pop out the letter that doesn't exist. And then if everything exists, return undefined. Yeah, I think that makes sense. So that meets this criteria. Let's get rid of that. All right, let's do it. Let alphabet equals hey, do you know if I can do this instead of manually create it? Does that split it? I don't know. Let's see. I'm just being lazy here. Oh, there's no function. Okay. Split. How do you split a string? Well, you can only split a string, not an array. Array from? Array from. Perfect. You need to remove square brackets. Oh. Oh yeah, it's because it's already in. Okay, yeah. Boom! I've just been lazy, or maybe I could just copy paste this and reduce one line of code. Yeah, let's do that. Oh man, it's too long. We'll leave it. Alphabet equals that. Okay, cool. Alright, so we got a string. Yeah, we'll do the same thing. str. Yeah, this is another thing, right? So I don't know if this is good practice or not to create multiple like variables. So string 2 equals array from string. Right. ABCE. Oh, sorry. There we go. All right, cool, fantastic. So now, um, all right, I think filter makes sense. So we're gonna filter. What are we gonna filter? Filter alphabet. Right, and this is gonna take in element. Ooh, can I do an index? So when I was thinking of getting, so maybe I don't need to do that. I can just do index property to get the index of the element within the original one. Hmm. Okay. Okay, so how do we do this? I'm not sure if I need index or not at this point, but let's see. Function. Oh. Function that takes in those two. Okay, so this is going to get turned into an array. I need to compare these two. Alphabet dot index of okay, I think it's if statement. If I'm basically trying to say if a, or maybe like, let's see. I think this looks like the diff array thing we did. Right, remove duplicate, sort array, check each element as index I. Compare two arrays, return a new array with any items only found in one of the two. Yeah, this is it, but not both. In other words, return a symmetric difference of the two arrays. Yeah, I think this is it. This is all we need to do, right? We got the two. We might be able to just reuse our code. Yo, good morning. How's it going? I think we might be able to just use this. I don't know. Let's see. So new ARR. I think that's going to be string two. String two is an array. New ARR. Okay, we don't need to sort it because it's already sorted. Let's see. Let's get some beats upstream. Beats. So return new error. What was the Okay, so new error is we're defining that, so that's fine. New error is a reduce function. If duplicate equals array, I think this is going to be alphabet. Man, I can't remember what this code did. Alright, that clearly doesn't work there. Okay. Okay, that's gonna be alphabet. A, B, C, E. Okay. And if I run, array 1 is going to be alphabet. It's going to be str2. Oh, the new function. So it's going to call this function. Sending solution for later. Hey, what's up, abs? What's going on? Use reduce. Okay, you've already passed that stage, man. Abs always beating you, man. He's always ahead. I didn't say use reduce. I'm actually behind. Wait, who said use reduce? You did, no? Use reduce, friend? Why are you still up? Or are you just waking up? I nearly quit yesterday. Oh, trust me, man. I feel the pain. This is hard. I'm telling you, this is hard stuff, man. come hang out on the stream if you're feeling that way. We can boost each other up because yeah, this thing is not easy. This music sucks, man. What is this? What is this? Stream beats this song. All right, let's play this. I couldn't do Where for Other, so I skipped it. Couldn't do next week because I was bad at Oh, trust me, Where for Other took me 3 hours or so, 4 hours, and that was with help in the chat. Yeah, it's not. It wasn't easy, man. Like that was a, yeah, that one's a. I don't want to show you the thing, but if you want to run through it, I think you've got access to my notes, right? So I've copied all my answers here. So this is Where for Other. Quickly take a peek. Like, yeah, there's anyway, that was the answer. I'm not gonna show it here, but it's there if you need to see one, and you can go back to the videos where sick, yeah, but explaining how it works and stuff as well, that helps. But yeah, all right, what are we doing here? I think we can reuse this code. I'm trying to understand how we did this though. Difference two arrays, right? Compare two arrays, return a new array with any items only found in one of the two given arrays and not both. Yeah, so okay, the problem with that is we can't give in AB the entire thing as yeah, we can't do that because it's going to give all the gibberish. I think so. We'll need to find the starting and end position for and filter alphabet. So alphabet needs to be like A, B, C, D, and E, and then it needs to spit out whatever's different. Yeah, this code definitely doesn't work. I don't know what's going on here. Alphabet is not defined. Where's alphabet going? What? Oh crap, I changed it, didn't I? Okay. It's because I changed it. It needs to be array. Oh, I'm running the wrong thing. I need to be running remove dupes as well. I need to be running. I don't know. I can't remember. Yeah, I can see your answers. Can you send me a code? Can you move the function definition from me outside the fear not letter? Wait. You want this code, but I can send that to you. Not Slack. What are we doing? Discord. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Spoilers, man! Spoilers. Okay, I'm gonna take a peek. Quickly paste in. All right. Oh crap! How do I do the thing again? So JS code. Yeah. Okay. All right. Perfect. Only JS on top. Okay. Borrow Mayo. It's a funny name. What's going on, man? Why are you learning JavaScript? So I can build websites. I'm going for the free codecamp curriculum. I'm just going through what they're teaching me, and I'm live streaming everything. Done coding for about 2 months now. This is day number 21, learning JavaScript, and the goal is to build something up at the end of this. So here's my plan, right? Why I'm learning the code. Start my own company, and then, if that doesn't work, 20% of the focus is going to be get a developer job. Again, complete newbie, going through it right now. That's the overall goal, Mayo. It's a funny name, man. Borrow Mayo. All right, what we got here? So, all right, okay. I think we're gonna need a filter first, and then I'm gonna reduce it. So let's go with the plan A first. Alphabet.filter, because I wanted to filter this, right? Okay. Respects, man. Best of luck. Thank you. How about you, G-Code? What's your story? Alphabet.filter. All right. Take element. Hey, look at that! I'm skipping steps, going straight into arrow functions. Yeah, let's not do that. Let's do this first, and then we'll go back. Function. Extend the element. If. Not filter, sorry. It should be a map. Yeah, it should be a map. Because I'm trying to... Actually, no, I think it should be filter. Let's see. What did we say about filter? So if the n number changes on the ending array, use filter, right? If you want less if you want less items... if so the element in this case will be all of these. If element dot includes, basically I'm trying to say if it includes, and I don't know if this is the right one yet, so it's basically it will be includes string to 0th position. Mel Sharif, what's going on, man? Thanks for the follow. If element or includes, how does that work? So array dot includes, okay. Array 1 to 3, array 1 dot includes 2. is true. Okay, so yeah, if can I do if element equals str2 dot includes actually maybe so not array, I meant element. So if I don't know how to code it. I'm trying to say if string2 array includes the element, get the index position, right? Actually no, I'm trying to say if alphabet includes string 0 element, then get the index of that position, right? And then same thing, if includes the string dot length, get the index of that position, and then use those starting and ending indexes to like slice a copy, and then we use that to then compare the difference and return whatever's not a thing, right? That's what I'm trying to code. How's the question going today though? This is the first question of the day. I only started. Oh wow, it's been 15 minutes already. Yeah, I wake up at 6 or 5:30 and yeah, just getting going, man. Yeah, here's what I'm trying to do. So maybe not an if loop. If does an if make sense to do? How do you? Find index might help. Find index. What is that? Diff array. I don't think you can solve using diff. Oh really? Find index versus index of. Difference between when should I use? Here are the index of element. Sorry, you said find index, huh? So an array with all of these is large number. Oh, look at that. So I can do that. So if there's no even if they're using they're using an anonymous function now, so we could just go up here and go starting index const starting index equals alphabet dot find index, and this will be str2 0. Man, this might just work. Index of returns -1 if not found. Find index returns undefined if not found. Ooh, okay. So you're saying I can just run through a thing. How about this? What does that say? str is not defined. Oh yeah. Okay. Start function. Oh, and also takes a function. You want find index, find value return. Wait, what? So you want find index function val return val equals string 20. So you're creating a function to find the index. Interesting. Yeah, I'm basically trying to find this. So and this here should work too, right? So basically that's the same thing, doing alphabet, find index of. Okay, so if we had AR1 equals like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. AR1 dot find index of 3. Okay, it doesn't work. Oh, isn't that position, or is that this argument? Yeah, I think. Did I just close it? Yeah, I think I'm misunderstanding the index of. Find index takes a function, not a value. That's my bad. Find index takes a function. Okay. I think index of might be better for now. Yeah, index are much better. Index off. Where's the thing? I just want to see if that works. Let's string equals a b c e. Oh, there we go. 0. Perfect. So that'll be the starting index. We're gonna need the const ending the last index. So probably better last. So last index equals alphabet dot index off string string the length. So that should give the -1. -1 means it doesn't exist, right? It's not string the length, it's what position? String. Oh wow. Correct. String the length -1. Right, yeah. Amazing. Okay, cool. So we got 0 and 4. I always get confused on length and -1. I just want to see console log string the length undefined. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Okay. String the length is 4. It counts, length counts 1, 2, 3, 4, not 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's why you need to do a -1. Okay. Yeah, I need to remember that. I always forget how that works. Perfect. Thanks, Meow. What's going on, man? Alright, so we have the starting and ending index, so now we can use that to slice this big thing. And then we need to compare those two. Alright, let's do that. There's so many variables here. Alright. Okay, new alphabet equals so create a copy starting index of start index last index, right? So that should give us no, is that gonna work? Yeah, it should work. This here too, so we can see A, B, C, E. Okay, that's not good. So we need a +1 there. Because there's always going to be something missing, right? There's a letter missing. Okay, so we got this array. Now, basically, I need to compare A, B, C, D, E, compare that with A, B, C, E, and then give me the difference, which is going to be D. So here, I think we can use the what was the one Indifferent Ghost was talking about? Find index. I think here we could use find index function in the filter method, maybe. All right, let's see. This is the ocean. Yeah, let's just go through it. So new alphabet dot filter. If all right, so what we need to do is if the index of equals -1, or yeah, if the index of returns -1, that means it doesn't exist, right? Yeah, return anything that has an index of a -1. So I don't really even need to do that. Maybe just go return return element, return new alphabet dot index. Actually, it already has no. I think we need an if condition. If index of element equals -1, return true. What does that do? 57. 57. Oh, it's not a function. Okay. Already been declared. Oh, that needs to go away. A, B, C, D, E. Right, so if I had the index, how do I... Or can I just... So it's okay, so think of this, so this element is the element of A, B, C, D, E, right? Of this array. A, B, C, and E. 16. So this is our new alphabet. Okay, no, sorry. It's going through, it's looping through these. Okay, loop through those, and if the index... Oh, you're right. I can just go if element index, right? If that equals -1, so it's gonna go through, boom, 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 D, yeah, -1, because it doesn't... That's not true. D exists in that. This is why it's there. I need to make this compare with this array. How do I do that? Yeah, that's what I'm just thinking now. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. I needed to compare this one. let's see. If we can do this. If string 2. Yeah, if string 2. Okay, basically what I'm trying to write is if index of element in alphabet equals -1, then true. But what is index, right? Index of string 2 element. You need to loop through that. String 2. Right. So string 2 element. So string 2 is going to look at string 2a, string 2b, string 2c, string 2e. Each of them are going to have an index position because it exists in this one. D. I mean, D doesn't exist in string 2, so it won't even get to that point. It's not even get to that point. I feel the struggle, bro. Yeah, man, this is difficult stuff. It's a lot of fun though. Cool, man. Enjoy the rest of the day. See you tomorrow. Indifferent Ghost, thank you for the follow, man. Sorry, I'm just catching up on the chat here. Correct, -1. You actually had include, which is great for this. I think you can add a parameter. You're comparing element equals D, maybe. Yeah, we can't specify D though, because there's other tests we need to run where it needs to automatically do that, right? So we pass in, for example, B, C, D, F. It needs to automatically figure out that, hey, yo, that doesn't work. No, it works. Sorry, it works. B, C, D, F. Then it's looking for E, D, E. String 2 index of element. Oh, yes, Ghost. That's what I'm looking to. String 2 index. Man, that's okay. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking to do. I just didn't know how to code it. String 2 index of element equals -1. Return true. Is this automatically gonna have undefined? I think you said earlier. I think it would be, yeah, it would be hard coded, right? Include returns a negative undefined automatically, right? That might be a better. Anyway, okay, let's see. What does this do? I don't know what this does right now. If I run this, I mean, okay, this much of that. This is all good, right? So we got B, C, D, E, F, undefined. Okay, skipping undefined. Square of index. All right, what's? Oh, maybe I need to do. I just do one of these. No. Wait, how does the filter actually work? So the filter takes in the stuff and it filters it. Filter JavaScript. Okay, so you got all of these. Filter anything that's true, right? So anything that's true, it's gonna filter it. So Yeah, that should be filtering the D. So anything that's -1, meaning D should be -1 in this case, because D doesn't exist in alphabet. Wait, is that what we're checking? If string 2 index of element. Sorry, what's string 2? I know we need else in somehow. Else, I don't even know if you can do that. Can I do return undefined? Is that a thing? Do I need to call something here or no? If, I mean, it's returning. Hey, this one works, which is whatever. This isn't working. Am I not? Do I need to return something else? Return. Oh, maybe I just need to do a return here. Return new alphabet. How's that? Empty array. I need to I need to return the letter, right? So okay. ABCE should be given a D. It's giving me an empty array. Why is it giving me an empty? That makes sense, right? So go through the, alright, so A, B, C, D, E, F, right? This is the new alphabet. Go through each of those, and if the index of this element, right, is -1 in string 2 array, then return that element. Why is it not doing that? Oh, what's going on? Let's see. Catching up some chat. Zali bags going on. New alphabet of filter. You got square brackets line 20 of index. Oh. Can you see one of these? Is that it? New alphabet of filter. I don't know what you mean, Zali bag. Okay, let's see. This might be it. That's it. That's it. This little syntax, oh man, I think this should be it. This should pass the test. What are we going to do? I reset the code. Okay, how's that? That should be cool. No. What's going on? Why? It's fading that now too. That should return I. Yeah, it's returning I. Sorry, let's see. You, yeah, it's fine. I think this thing here is broken. Alright, let's get rid of all of that. Let's copy my code in. What? So when I run the code, it's working. It's giving me the right thing. You got square brackets, filter returns an array, then expect a character. Oh. Oh, returns an array? Ah. Wait, did I just close it? I think I accidentally clicked the W, but oh man. Alright, all good. We have the code. No, all hope is lost. Let's go. Return element 0. Let's see. Okay. It's still in a thing. I don't understand. It works. It worked. The code works because it's giving us this. Do I need to convert that to a string? How do you convert an array to a string? Dot to string. Is that what they want? I don't know. I don't understand. This works, man. Right, they're test cases. Boom. I. You. Oh no. Are we doing this for? Do it on line 25. So what? Return this thing here instead. No, okay. Oh man, I'm so confused. What's going on? What am I returning? Don't add new lines. So what am I returning? Return what? New. Alright, your code returns an array of an element. I think they want to let us up. Alright, how do I? Okay, let's get rid of that. Return the element. Blah 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 blah. Cool. Return. You mean this? I have no idea. Okay, that is okay. Now that is a string. I don't know what that is. Like, why? I know we added this when we were doing the reduce thing, but we're initializing it to something. How does that? Oh, it's just the index. Return this on the 0 index. Man, okay. These syntaxes, man. Okay. All right. That should now work. First element of the array, right? Yeah, all this code is yeah. I get it. Okay. Newbie problems, man. That should now pass the test. There we go. It only took us an hour and 24 minutes. Oh man. Okay. Let's look at your solutions. How many solutions do you have for this? Only two. Only two. What's going on, man? All right. Okay. Three. Okay. All right. Let's jump on Discord. Hey.
Hey man, how's it going?
Good. I feel good we solved it, but I feel that took way too long.
Yeah, but I think you solved it more on your own, relying less on the chat, and that's good for you.
Yeah. Chat definitely helped out. You helped out at the end. Ghost helped out with some.
Yeah, at the end for zero indexing. Well, you solved almost completely, like 99.99% of the exercise. That zero element accessing was really not something very big. Yeah, so I think the second solution, the one in the middle, is the one that's, I guess, closest to yours, because yeah, you created the alphabet array, and I was like, okay, let's see how I can solve it in this way. So
Right.
you create an alphabet array, and then you create a string array, and then here is a tricky part that I came up with, which helps, I guess, which is, so you have an alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, blah, blah, blah. But what we're interested is in the alphabet, but not in the whole alphabet. We're interested in the alphabet starting from the letter, which is the first letter of the string, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So what if we take the string and the alphabet, and we drop all the letters of the alphabet until the first letter of the string?
Yeah. Okay. But why don't you have the ending index? Because we only need. Oh.
No, I mean we shift the alphabet to the first letter of the string, and then the zero index of the string is supposed to be the zero index of the shifted alphabet. The first index of the string is the first index of the shifted alphabet. Like, let's say we have the string. Let's see a string.
Whoa. Sorry. Straga, what's up, man? 102 people rating. Oh my god. Like, that's insane. Welcome, everybody.
Oh wow, that's a lot.
This is insane. How's everybody doing? 5 people, 95 bots. Man, thanks for the raid, man. 264 people. This is the most I've had ever. This is like 10 times what you normally find on this channel.
Yeah, man, that's so cool.
Welcome. So for everyone, what I do is I'm learning to code JavaScript. I think Straggers helps people with JavaScript. This is day number 21 of me learning to code. Following the free code camp tutorial, we're on the algorithm scripting part right now. It took me an hour and a half to write this algorithm this morning, and now, but just going through the different solutions, just running through that. So that's what I do. If you guys are learning, if you want to see a newbie learn and help me out, feel free to hang out. JS, stop before it's too late. Oh man, did I make the wrong choice? But yeah, that's what's happening here. How's it going, Stracker? Thank you for the follow. All right, sorry, Bert. Please continue.
Yeah, it's all right. So yeah, so let's say, okay, so if the string starts with an A, that's easy. But if the string starts with another character, let's say the character D. Now D is the zero index of string too, but it's not the zero index in alphabet. It's some other index, right?
Yes.
But if we shift the alphabet, the zero index in the strings is supposed to be the same character in the zero index in the alphabet. The first index Yeah,
Yeah.
and it goes on and on like this. So
Yeah.
that's what I'm doing on this line. I shift the whole alphabet by using slice and finding the index of the first character of the string 2, right?
Right. Yeah.
And then I reduce string 2. And now it's really easy because all I have to do is check if found has been found already.
Mm.
If not, if it has not been if it has been found, or if the current letter is the one we expect it to be according to the shifted alphabet, then we return what was found so far. Otherwise, uh, we take the shifted alphabet and return the expected letter, and that's it.
Interesting. Okay. If found is not undefined, or if the shifted, so the sliced array's index equals the letter, which in this case, yeah,
Yeah. So the shift
found.
allows us to reuse the same index for both string and alphabet. Otherwise, we need to compute different indexes.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Awesome.
Yeah. And then the other solution, the one above that, is the one I originally came up with. And this is an interesting solution. Well, not, the solution is not that interesting by itself, but it applies a concept that may be really useful to you in some particular problems. And it relates to how are characters represented in a computer. Basically, in a computer, everything is ones and zeros.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And they have come up with a mapping of some numbers, binary numbers, to letters or to symbols, not just letters. And this is called ASCII. So let me look up an image of an ASCII table. One sec. Yeah. So the image, I'm sending it on Twitch.
Okay. Man, this chat is blowing up. This is insane. Straga, thanks so much, man. This is awesome. Thanks everyone for hanging out too. All right. Okay.
So basically, for every symbol there you can write in a string, there is a number corresponding to that symbol, kind of like a map. Or you can think of it as an array, kind of like the array we did with the alphabet, but it's not just the alphabet, it contains other special characters also.
Right. Okay. So in
Yeah.
our case, it's A
And
to Z.
yeah, we also have that. Now, the cool thing about that is that uh, capital letter A and small letter A are like 32, uh, uh, like the difference between the two numbers is 32, I guess. Yeah. The same
Yeah.
goes for capital letter B and small letter b, capital letter C, small letter c. So
Yeah.
each capital and lowercase is the same distance apart.
Right.
Yeah. So if you take the distance between capital letter A and small letter a, you can compute, you can take any other letter and then compute its other case easily with a simple addition subtraction math. Yeah. Another cool thing about the ASCII table is that if you look at it, A through Z are ordered. So A is the smallest number, and then Z is the largest number. So
Mm-hmm.
you can order letters using their ASCII numbers. I think that's how they implement sorting, by the way. And now, basically, if we take the ASCII number, we have a free alphabet array. We don't have to write it. It's
Okay.
already there for us. We just compare the numbers.
Gotcha. So, okay.
Yeah. So basically what we do is we take the string, we map it with its ASCII character. So car code has, you don't have to remember the method. You just need to remember that each symbol has a number associated with that symbol. And it could
Mm-hmm.
come in handy, usually with ordering and stuff like that. And then we reduce the ASCII character, the ASCII codes. If index is 0, well, it's always not a missing character. But other than that, if the last ASCII code plus 1 is the current ASCII code, then we're good. It's the expected one. So it's the
Mm-hmm.
next letter in the alphabet. And otherwise, we return the current ASCII code -1 or the last ASCII code +1 to see the expected character.
Yeah.
But this returns an ASCII code, it's an integer. And then what we do is in return, we write return found is equal to undefined. If it's undefined, we return undefined. Otherwise, we use the string dot from car code method to take an ASCII code and get its associated symbol.
Mm-hmm. Okay, man,
Yeah.
this is I see what you're doing, but this is I think is a bit above my experience right now. But I think okay,
Yeah, it's
all right,
basically like the alphabet array that you created, but
yeah,
it's already created for you. You get the indexes for free.
gotcha,
And
yeah,
the other difference is the indexes don't start from 0, they start from some other number.
yeah, okay, right,
Yeah.
right. So this is okay, yeah. You're also
And the
using
last,
a bunch of different
yeah,
methods to go map and reduce. Yeah, create an array from the string passed in. You're mapping them with the ASCII code, so you didn't have to initialize the alphabet like this one. So yeah, so you basically used ASCII instead of this,
yes, yes.
and
So
then
you
all right,
use the indexes of the alphabet, I use the indexes using the ASCII conversion.
right,
But it's once again indexes, they just start from a higher number.
okay, yeah, now I get it. Okay,
Yeah.
it's still yeah, okay, awesome.
And the last solution I came up with after we came up with the other two solutions, it's basically a combination of two. Once again, it uses the ASCII codes. So up until the map, including the map, it's up until the map is the same. Now in the map, the addition is that remember how in the alphabet solution I shifted the alphabet. I realized, wait a second, I can shift the ASCII codes. So take the first. So let's say we have the letter S, and let's say S has a number 87. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so if we subtract from each ASCII code in the string 87, yeah, we're gonna get indexes. So the first letter in the string is going to be number 0. The second letter is going to be number 1. The third letter is going to be number 2. Yeah.
Right. Mm-hmm.
So if the number of the map corresponds to its index, it's the letter we expected it to be.
Damn. Okay. Yeah. 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 Okay.
Yeah,
So
and now all we need to do is compare the current number with the index of the current element.
okay, man, that's clever. Okay.
Yeah, and if it's not, we can reuse the same index to go back to the original string and get the character. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And once again, we use from car code and car code to get the expected character.
Okay.
Otherwise, you would wait with the alphabet.
Very cool. Very cool, man. This is high level stuff. I think for me, for someone with 21 the experience, but I can see. Okay.
Oh, I
Awesome.
did not know that from takes a mapping function. That's interesting. Well, the more you
Um,
learn.
that doesn't look like normal programming. Normal programming is much more stupid, moving data from point A to point B. Okay, hey, that at least that makes me feel good because right now I'm so struggling with not struggling, but it's just taking a while to like get all these concepts in. But awesome, man. Thank you. I will
Yeah,
definitely have to sit and review it.
yeah, it's true. We usually don't do weird methods like this. Most of the programming is much simpler.
Just find A, move it to B, that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, pretty much.
cool, awesome, man. Thanks for the assist.
You're welcome. See ya.
All right, see you in a bit. All right, okay, man. Cool. All right, so everyone's new. That's so Bert is a resident pro who hangs out and helps me out. So I go through the challenges, and if I get stuck, or like for example, this was the solution that I came up with in an hour and a half, and then he'll come up with like three different ones, and we walk through the mistakes I make or like the different things that I can learn from. So Bert is there. Sudojo also is there, helps me out. There's a couple other people who hang out in the chat. Never met them before I started live streaming, so it's really cool. I never expected people to jump in and help me out. So that's what you guys can expect. If you guys are learning too, feel free to hang out again, learn together, share some insights. Yeah, and I'm trying to stream every day. That's the goal. Been pretty consistent so far. I think I missed 2 or 3 days in the last month. Um, and here's what I'm going through right now, right? So part of learning web development was like 80% of the thing is I want to start my own business, start my own startup, or if that doesn't work out, then get a dev job. Right now, going through the free code camp curriculum. I'm gonna dabble into this after that as well. Background reading, eloquent JavaScript, and then I think hopefully by the end of this week, we're gonna start building these projects out. So it's a free thing, 30 projects in 30 days, like JavaScript drum kit, da 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 da. And yeah, I'm gonna go through the entire thing and build it out. And hopefully that's gonna cement everything I've learned the last, I don't know, 21 plus however many days gonna go. So if everyone wants to like Discord, man, I need to build that Discord bot. All right, let me send you a Discord link. So yeah, we're gonna go through that. So if you guys want to build it with me, need some practice, or just want to watch and hang out, that would be awesome. There's the Discord, and if anyone knows how I can add Discord using that thing so it automatically pops it, please let me know. And yeah, Nightbot is popular. Okay, I will check that out. Nightbot. All right, cool, very cool. Nightbot.tv, amazing. All right, sweet. Why don't you try TypeScript? I will. So right, so I'm going through free CodeCamp's curriculum right now. So if I show you what's on here, the music's also gone. Let's get that back up. Yeah, like I said, like I started learning code September. 1st of September is when I did the first stream. So went through the basic HTML, CSS, da da da. Built out these things. I didn't want to build a portfolio page until I did more JavaScript stuff because I need to build one anyway. I thought I'll wait until I get more experience. I need to go back and build that out so I can finish off this certification. And then JavaScript, it's been 21 days going through this almost every day. So I'm halfway through algorithm scripting, and then they've got a bunch of different projects need to build. So once that is done, I'm gonna go and do the 30-day thing I mentioned, and after that, we're gonna get into different libraries like TypeScript and whatever else they've got here. So it's on the list to go through for sure. There is a cool game to play though if you want to play. See who wins. Oh no. Why is it? It always does the layout thing, man. It's right at the top. That's it always messes up with my thing. Let me reset it. Okay, how is that? That's so fun. Man, I don't know why it's not taking the entire screen. Hang on, 2 seconds. Picture push. I think it'll be fine the next round it goes. But yeah, something cool we could do. All right, let's move on to the next one. Sorted union. What is this? Write a function that takes two or more arrays and returns a new array of unique values in the order of the original provided array. Bye bye, honey bear. Alright, I'm gonna head out, cash out while I'm ahead. Thanks for the stream. Good luck with JS. Thanks, man. Enjoy the rest of the day. Yeah, check that Straggler's few streams, man. You're freaking amazing, dude. Alright, let's see if that thing fixed. There we go. It's taking the entire screen now. I don't know why I have to reset it every stream. Okay, write a function that takes two or more arrays and returns a new array of unique values in the order of the original array. In other words, all values present from all arrays should be included in the original order, but with no duplicates in the final array. The unique numbers should be sorted by the original order, but the final array should not be sorted in the numerical order. So, for example, 132.5214214 should return 132.5.4. Okay, interesting. So remove the duplicates and maintain the order the numbers appear in the array. Okay, this is gonna be fun. Unite unique 123.521 should return 1 2. Okay. Landed for 10 points. Okay. Maybe step one is merge all three, or like all of them into a big array, into one array, and then like loop through this master array, I guess you can call it. Loop through that, and then I need to check if there's duplicates too. Maybe not. Maybe we can just do something more simple. I don't. Okay, is this gonna work? If I did like, okay, have 1, 3, and 2, right? Which is these items. So I'm gonna loop through that. So let's say loop through this, and then basically we check is 5 in 1, 3, 2. No, then push it. So it's gonna go to the end. And then it's 2 here. It is. Do nothing. Is 1 here? Yes. Do nothing. Is 4 here? No. Then push. So then that way the duplicates go away. And it maintains the order, right? And then after that, once that is done, then loop through this array. Does 2 exist? Can go from the start. Yep. Do nothing. Does 1 exist? Yep. Nothing. And this would be the final. That would be the final array. Should return 1 3 2 5 4. I think that should work, right? That makes sense. So yeah, I need 2 arrays. So it's 5 here, no, push it, 2 here, da-da-da. Yeah, okay, I think that makes sense. Let's see if we can code that in. It also needs to compare. So the first one's easy. You just compare with 1 3 2, right? So if How do we compare? Maybe. Okay, so if we did new AR. Okay, so we're gonna initialize it to the first thing, and then how do I do that? How do I make it? So 0 is gonna be 0 positions. If I wanted to leave through like this. So dude, so what's going on, man? Welcome back. How's it going? I haven't seen you in a few days. New R equals that. All good, man. I'm sleeping now. I see you stream at random times now. yeah. Because I work full time, and then but during the week I just feel dead, man. So I went to bed at 11 my time. Woke up at 5:30, and I've been streaming. It's been 2 hours. Trying to think how to post. Would it be better to merge this like the initial idea had, merge it into one master array, and then filter it maybe? Okay, this is, I don't know which one is easier to implement or even makes sense. Idea 1, idea 2 would be merge it, leave through it, and then filter. Fill them out, right? ARR 0, ARR. Discord's going off, man. People finding stuff on there. I'm not gonna watch. I think there's gonna be spoilers in there. Minimize. Okay, so I'm thinking is like, yeah, I think the push idea would make sense, but I needed to be smart enough to know. So this one has 3 items, right? 0, 1, and 2 positions. So it needs to loop through this, which would be ARR in the first position, ARR in the second position. So like loop through those. But I can't hard code it. It needs to know if there's 2, then just go 0 and 1. If there's 1, 2, 3, 4 in this case, go to 0, 1, 2, 3. So there could be like n number of items in the array, right? Have you been practicing JS for long? 21 days. 21 days of free code camp content. That's all I know. Okay. Oh man, how do we do this? Oh, can you just like loop through the thing by itself? So I don't have to do this, like find the thing. Okay. Do you know what I mean? So if we make this into one big array, for example, like something like that, 132. Right, so we made it into that, which we can do, and then like create a copy of that, like a new array, and then loop through this again. Be like, okay, does right? Let's copy this again. Right, and then go for each of these and see like, does one exist in that? Yes, it does. Delete. Does 3 exist in that? Yes, it does. Am I thinking this right? Delete. That doesn't make sense. Okay, for this to work, we need to start with array 1. Okay, so we start with array 1, and the new array is going to be okay, we'll have a master array, right, which is going to be a combination of all of those. New array is going to start from master array dot slice, and the starting position is going to be array arr0 dot length, right? So it will be basically that. So those are the two arrays we work with. Yeah, so master array will be just there, but really we'll be looking at arr0 and this new array, which is going to be this, because we're going to slice it off from that point. And then we're going to iterate through each of these items and then check, does 5 exist in arr0? No, push. Does 2 exist in this one? No. Yes, do nothing. Yeah, I think that would work. Okay, let's do that. So how do I combine two arrays? I think join, right? Join. Combine arrays in JavaScript. Concat. That's what we need to do. Master array equals oh man, there was a dot notation that we did at one point to combine them all. How do you combine them? Because I don't want to give it like 0, 1, 2. Alright, let's see. Yeah, function unite unique dot arrays. Okay, yeah, okay. Yeah, I remember the dot one. So master array equals it's the spread operator. ARR 0. Unite unique dot arrays. Do I actually type in arrays? Is that what it is? Let's test that out. So we have that, which is a big array, and then I don't know. Let master array equals unite unique. Oh, is that what you said? Master array. Okay, clearly not. What? Some numbers. Oh, can I do this instead? Let master array equals. Okay, we'll initialize it to an empty array, and then master array dot concat dot unite unique. Does that work? Yeah, it does. Amazing. Cool. All right. Cool. That'll work. Let master array. Maybe I don't even. Do I need to initialize it? Maybe I don't even need to do that. Just do this. IE function. Whoa. Tap on should feed from. And I have no idea what we're talking about. Okay, well this is giving us the thing. Do you know what? And then I'm gonna code it in here. Okay. Cannot access before. So I do have to do that then. So many comments. I just want to see if that works. Oh crap! That's what I need to do. ARR the concat, not that. Still no. So ARR would be this thing we pass in, and I want you to concatenate that, and then log this. Why is that not working? Unite unique. Unite unique is a function though. So this is ARR, right? That's the thing we pass in. That's ARR. Yeah, I made a mistake. Da-da-da. Concat ARR. So concat ARR. Are we saying... It's not a function. Array 1 to concat array 2. Everything can be written in the main script. You don't need a function. This creates an empty array. Oh, so I don't, okay. Fear not, that's where's that coming from? Oh, okay. We do not need that right now. 132. 132 is not fun. Doesn't want to take in these two then? What's going on? What Freddy said, everything can be written in the main script, you don't need a function. Spread and concat are useless. Keep things simple and bare bones as much as possible. Yes, you have the functions, see the code above line by line. I don't know why this said not working though. It was. So let AR equals that. Yeah, okay. Because it's not. Unexpected identifier. Yeah, see, .arr is just taking in the first thing. It doesn't even recognize 5214, so this is not going to work. I repeat, no needs for spread, no concrete. Okay, so how do I... Alright, what are you saying, Freddy? Let's see. Why is it only saying... So when I'm doing right here, like line number 3. Well, line number 2 is 132. I'm console logging the ARR. And for some reason it thinks ARR is just 132. It doesn't take this into consideration. What I'm trying to do is I'm gonna I want to combine all of these three things into one big array. So I'm pretty sure if I do ARR 0, it's going to give me 1. Right? Yeah, that's not what I want. I want it to... Oh, does it think I need to do... But then I'd have to change... Oh, I have no idea of knowing how many things are going to be in there, so I can't... You see what I'm trying to say there? Work only with arrays, push shift. Ah, okay. Dot, dot, dot. There we go. Okay, that's what I was missing, the dot dot dot. Okay, gotcha. Okay, dot dot dot. Remember dot 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 next time. Okay, I also get what Freddie's saying too. Freddie, man, if you want to write your own thing to this, I will compare the end and sort of learn from that for sure. Okay, cool. We got the master array. We've got the array. ARR 0 is what we're going to compare with. Fantastic. So I think you just need to loop through that. So if I'm gonna write a normal for loop for now, and then we'll change it afterwards. A for yeah, I0, I is less than the length of master array. So master array dot length I plus plus. So loop through each of these, and then if master array, if the I item, ooh, okay. I think it needs to be includes. All right, we need to do the includes thing from last exercise. How do we do that? We do an index of, right? If index of is -1, meaning it doesn't exist. Yeah, that's what we need to do. So if I'm just gonna do another one. Let array 1 equals ARR 0. Yeah, okay. And if okay, does that make sense? I'm basically trying to say if the index of the ith item in array 1 is -1, meaning it doesn't exist, then ARR1 dot push, then push that item in there, which is going to be this item, right? Else do nothing. What now? Line number 6. Oh. Why have I got error master in there? Okay. Line number 10. I can go away. I think that's it. It looks like it's doing what I wanted to do. Let's test it out. Man, if that works, that's the quickest I've ever solved a problem. Nope. got excited for no reason. Alright, what are we missing here? Because in function you need right here you go spread. You're receiving an array of arrays, right? No. Am I? Yeah. So an array of arrays. You're receiving an unknown number of arguments. See, line number 23. Yeah, that was a problem. So, yeah, I started off with 0 and 1. I didn't know how to do that. I think it was on the other one. And then I decided to just make a master array. I think that was easier. But why is it not passing the test? Alright, let's run this code to see what that does. So that should return 13254. 13254. That is correct. Okay, let's run this one. 1235. 1235 is also correct. Why is it not passing the test? That should be 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7, 8. That's. It's doing it. I think it. Okay. What's the test looking for? Let's reset the code. Does it need an else statement? Is that the problem? Oh, I think this is to go before they are. I mean, it's passing the test here, so why is it not? Why is it failing the? Like, am I missing something here? So I'm putting in the thing, and it should return the thing, and it's returning in all 3 of the test cases. It's doing what it needs to do. Unless I'm misunderstanding this thing completely. Here's the question. This exercise is written well. The argument type is not explicitly written. 3 arguments, function code, and the function you write only takes 1. Right. Anyway, I can give you advice. Always use strict mode. Strict mode. What is strict mode? There's a way to opt in to a restricted variant. Use strict. Put the exact same in use strict or use strict function body. Strict mode makes assignments which otherwise silently fall to throw an exception. Type error. So it basically helps you debug code and find mistakes, from what I see. I don't understand. Why is it failing the test? It's doing what it needs to do. 1 to 55, which is one big array. He refers to line. Oh man, this is that why I'm failing the test? Oh my god, see that let always gets to me. But like in fairness, I think this is the fastest I've ever solved a problem on the intermediate one at least. Okay, that works. That okay. Freddie, did you have a different solution? I'm reading. Gonna catch up on the chat now. Solutions are all on Discord. Okay, cool. Plus, you should install a code editor. I got this. What's it? Is this what you're talking about? Let's go on Discord. Yeah, that's the code editor. Awesome. Oh wow, 12 new messages. Okay. Create an array with all the numbers preserved in order, and then filter number index array dot index of number is equal to index filter. If the index of the number you looping through of the array equals index, right? So if it's present, then okay, yeah. Let's jump on that chat. Hey, what's going on, man?
Hey, you're getting better and better.
Yeah, I think so. That was the fastest I've ever solved a problem.
Yeah. So
okay.
basically, the solution is not very complicated. You filter all numbers, and you only keep the ones in which, index of returns the index of the first occurrence. So you only keep the numbers which are the first occurrences in the array. Yeah.
Gotcha.
That's what it does.
That's what that means. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, then in different course presented a solution for the previous exercise, fear not letter. And then later on, he proposed a solution for unite unique. Yeah, then he played around with the free code cam, because at first I think he wrote it like without using free code cam. And his solution is actually the shortest one. Yeah, the only thing I did was I rewrote it using arrow functions, but his is the shortest one. What it does is it uses args.flat, which achieves the effect of taking multiple arrays and merging them into one big array. Yeah, so the thing that we do with the concat. Then he uses the spread operator. Wait, is that what it does? Maybe we could play around with args.flat. But the important part is that he uses new set. And new set, what it does is it takes an array of elements and removes all the duplicates. And apparently it preserves order, which is interesting.
Yeah, which code is I'm looking at? This one?
1 second. No, the one that's for the previous exercise. It's near the bottom.
This one, Zao. Oh, it's
no.
from Ghost.
Near the bottom. More.
This one here. Okay.
Yeah, this one. This is the shortest.
Wow, what is that? What is that? Okay. You know, unique args return. I have no idea what set is. All right. Set.flat. Man, I'm learning new things. New things today. Set JavaScript. So it creates a new set object.
Yeah, okay, so args.flat, what it does is it takes the arrays and it merges them into one big array.
Oh, okay. And then...
Yeah. New set, what new set does is it turns it into a set, so it removes all the duplicates.
There's a built-in thing to do that? Oh my god, okay.
Yeah.
Very cool.
The only thing I'm not sure is why new set requires the spread operator. I guess we have to look that up somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah, it has
Maybe.
shown that you can pass them the new set. Anyhow, so so args flat it takes the arrays that are passed, so 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 1, 4, etc., and
Yeah.
turns them into one big array. That's for sure. The set is a constructor which takes. Yeah, maybe I could look up the documentation. But what it does is it essentially removes all the duplicates, so you don't need to filter and do fancy
Okay.
stuff for loops.
It's a one-line thing. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Like that. Okay. All right, ghost. Then that's sick. Because they're looking for an array in response, whereas set is not an array.
Yeah, so here is an example code with set in the Mozilla documentation to see how it looks like.
Set one dot has one.
Yeah. So basically, the constructor of set you can pass it an array, and he does that with because the flat it turns it into an array,
Right.
and then you can use fancy operators like has and yeah. Set usually tests for existence. Okay,
Okay.
set is a set of unique elements, and you test whether they exist in the array or they do not. In other languages, usually set does not preserve order, but the more you learn, apparently he said that in JavaScript it does preserve order. So that's a new thing I learned today.
Oh man. Okay. Very
Oh
cool.
yeah,
Good.
and set also supports usually in every language it supports add operator and remove operator. So all set is concerned about is existence. Does the
Okay.
element exist in the set? It, and if you would like to
Okay.
remove the element or if you would like to add an element. And basically the rest of the code I think is the spread operator and the array I think is to turn the set back into an array.
Okay.
That's my assumption.
Just want to test this real quick. That is unbelievable. Okay. Yeah. Awesome. I need to read more into set to fully understand what this does. Okay. Thanks for the explanation. I get it now. But I need to read more into it and figure out what it's doing. Um. All right. What else we got? Oh, this is turned into an arrow function. Okay.
Oh yeah, he said it that set is not an array, and yeah, that's correct then. So he uses the spread operator in the square brackets to turn the set back into an array. But I'm wondering, would it work if we use array from? Because then I think would be easier to keep up with the syntax.
Array
Let me
from
try it out.
args. Okay.
Like array from new set and then args flat. Oh
Set
yeah,
doesn't
that
have
also works. I think that's more semantic.
in terms of flat dot flat.
Yeah, I'm gonna update the solution one sec. Yeah, okay, so like this.
Okay. Man. I spent 20 minutes trying to figure out how to combine an array, and turns out there's built-in stuff like these. But for next time, I know just to use that. That's very cool.
Yeah, I think this is
Um,
more readable. So basically, you see the const unique, unite unique, where I've written the final solution. It's
uh,
below his solution.
this one,
It's built up. Yeah. So you see, you can use array.from, then use set, and then args.flat. I think this
mm,
is easier to read
right?
to
Okay, yeah.
understand what's going on, because otherwise, with the spread operator and the array, if you're not too familiar with JavaScript, you may be confused as to what is the intent here.
Right. So it creates an array, and then set just finds the duplicates and just removes it. That's what I understand from this.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And Zal also had some code here. What's this? Oh,
But
this is
that's
the
the
same
point
as.
that we learn stuff.
Yeah. This is, man. This has been super helpful. ES 2020 baby, nice. So I think Zhao's solution seems to be same as mine, but he's just got for each instead of a I loop that I did. I mean, instead of a for.
I think he later wrapped it into a function because at first I think he also wrote the code without knowing that he could test it in free code camp.
Ah.
So, or in function form, yeah, below that, and you can see the function. So maybe that's his final solution.
Interesting. Okay. Yeah, I think that's the same. That's the same approach as I did, but he's just neater. No eyes and lets and stuff.
Hmm.
Very, very cool. Nice.
Yeah, and that's it.
Cool, man. Thanks for the explanation.
You're welcome. See ya.
See you in a bit.
Wait, are you going to program more, or are you done for today?
Yeah, I think I'm done for today. Thanks. Yeah, this has been this has been great. I'll be on later tonight for sure. But
Okay.
yeah, I think this is for today.
Maybe you can move up the schedule for 5 hours later than your original intent.
Yeah, yeah. All right, sweet man. Thanks.
Okay, see ya.
See you in a bit. All right. I'm learning a lot of these array methods, man. I'm learning new every day because all of this set thing, like Ghost and Freddy coming in with some new thing. I'm just golfing. I feel like that's is the free codecamp thing sanctioned by a diploma? They give their own certification, not really if that's what you want to call a diploma. So once you go through this stuff and build the projects, they give you a certification. But I don't really care about the certification. I just want the experience and be able to do stuff. I have no idea what golfing is. No idea what you guys talking about. Don't worry about Sailor and the basics. Sounds good. Have you built any of your own projects? Golf is to get the literal shortest solution. Ah, interesting. I haven't built anything yet, so yeah, this I'm just going through the basics here. So we've got so that one's done. So we got this left and intermediate algorithms, and they want us to build some of these stuff here. So once that is built, and then I'm gonna start building out these stuff, JavaScript projects, drum kit, clock. I don't know. I don't even know what they are. So I think this will be the main project practice for me, and then yeah, after that, I don't know. We'll see. Don't get into golfing is too early. Okay. Yeah. Makes sense. Good point. Good point about set. I'm assuming it's an estimated 300 hours worth of exercises. Soon about to finish. Yeah, they said 300 hours. I don't think I'll spend 300 hours on it though. 21 days, so an average of 3 hours, 4 hours a day. Sometimes even 6. The average of 4. So I'll spend like probably around 90 hours, 100 hours so far of actual JS experience. Like that's all I know. I know whatever a person can learn in about 90 hours of learning. Code Arcade. All right, what's this? Free code can be also just really good practice and add portfolio. Usually say you write in September, right? Yeah, September was the HTML, CSS. JavaScript was 22 days ago, whenever that was. Code Signal, it's not working. Yeah, so free code camp. The next stuff after this is front end libraries where you can go to React, Redux, and there's a bunch of projects we need to build. Build a random quote machine, build a drum machine, JavaScript calculator. Huh. So it might be worth actually quickly running through these and then building out then. And then getting the projects. I don't know. We'll see. What do you say? They got frameworks, Node, and more. Node. What's Node? Node.js, right? Yeah, there you go. Basic Node, Express, MongoDB. Yeah, that's upcoming, man. I'm gonna go through that for sure as well. That's a lot of tech. Why doesn't this code signal thing work? It's just oh, not authorized. Maybe I need to log in. That's a lot of tech. Does that mean you finished the first 300 hours course? Oh no, I finished the first one. I don't think I spent 300 hours on it. Let's see. I don't think. I think Twitch deletes it after a while. Let's see. Right, we can quickly take a peek. So I just post all my archive on YouTube, so I can go back and check it out. If it loads, YouTube Studio. All right. How many videos do we have? Can I? So I don't even know how many hours. So you got an hour and a half, 2.5. Yeah, and then I did a bit of Odin project too. So yeah, all of that was the. Yeah, I need to add the hours, but anyway, two. Yeah, all of that is the initial bit, and then I went to JavaScript. So JavaScript was day number one for JavaScript was 30th of October. That's when I started. So yeah, just over a month. 30th of October is when I started. Do you want to do front and back and both? Both. The main goal is actually like learn the code so I can build my own thing. Where's it called? Yeah, like starter, man. I think that's the plan. If that doesn't work, then dev job, but definitely both. I want to learn both. I feel this should be split into at least 3 to 4 different courses. That's a lot of knowledge and knowledge needs practice. Yeah. I was saying that to Bert at the start of this call. Like the, the way I learned, so I wasn't that good at maths initially in school, and then the way I learned it was understanding the concept and then going through each and every single exercise in the book, like from start to finish. And by the time you get to the end, like I don't understand. Like theirs just keeps like for JavaScript, like I did basic data structures. Yeah, it was talking about not this one, sorry, OOP stuff. Where is that? Yeah. So 26 chapters, I guess, on OOP. I did that. Like it just runs you through it once. So okay, I get it. And then boom, it runs you through functional stuff the next minute. And then by the time I get through this, I understand that I already forgotten the other one because I didn't get enough practice. So we do both of these, and then it jumps me straight into building these stuff where I have to now combine my knowledge of object stuff with functional stuff and find solutions. So it's not perfect. I think they need to have more exercises to experiment and to get good at. But yeah, I definitely agree. Split into data science. Yeah, what I would love to have is more exercises to practice. So I think information is good, teaches you enough, but it's just not enough to get used to it. Yeah, this is all they've got. Data visualization, API stuff, QA. They added Python recently. Machine learning, apparently. Yeah, all that good stuff. Most of the field analysis project at the end and units. Okay. Those exercises do not look like code snippets from. It's not a matter of remembering everything, it's by learning what to look. That is also true. That is also true. If I will learn this, I'll 50% on free code, can make your own project from scratch. Yeah, that's kind of the plan, right? So I want to learn. I want to go through this so I know all the basics, and then start building stuff. And my idea for projects from scratch was to build again these things, like these different projects. Yep, that works. Cool. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream here, man. It's gonna go grab some food. Thanks everyone hanging out. Thanks for the code and helping out. I'm still splitting what this is at people. Doing this stuff. This has too much theory. No practice feel. Yeah, 100%. Host someone. Okay. Hey, what's up, Five? Who do you guys normally watch? Who should we rate? This is the highest people I've had. Like, Twitch TV. Actually, before we host, you're learning too. Okay, nice. Do a quick drop. Is anyone cool coding right now? On the one hand, you get really good info building from scratch. On the other, you move so fast to React and like, right. Making an MMO. Who here sounds like it's doing something cool? Game dev. It's a professor apparently teaching some stuff. This guy's doing Node. He might be fun. Let's go hang out with him. Alright. Before we leave this chat for a bit, my problem is I don't like building projects. Others give me so I build what I want, and then sometimes I don't know what I want to build. Okay. Cool. I don't know if everyone's still here. Thanks everyone who followed as well. Some from Strager's raid. So got Bulgaria, Tommy Barra, Hardfire, Spinto, Adam Goro, 995, Get Punt, Dave Loops TV, and Zaddybax. Appreciate you all, man. Thanks for the follow. Everybody should learn Node before React. Bam. Okay. All right. We're gonna rate someone. All right, cool guys. Thanks for hanging out. Hopefully, see you all again later tonight. Enjoy the rest of the day, guys.
Nicht richtig sortiert. Gehen wir nochmal durch. Streamlabs haben wir drin. Stream Elements, Nightbot, Moobot, Cobot, Wisebot, Phantombot. Phantombot hosts a Plethora. Was ist denn eine Plethora? Eine Blutfülle. Okay. Commands Customizations geht aber gar nicht an. Damit fällt er dann auch schon mal raus. Aha, guck mal, hier ist auch noch so ein allgemeines